Hello friends, welcome to the technical check on the markets. Markets have closed flat today, absolutely flat, opening in the positive, and through the day the markets have given up all the positive momentum in the morning which we saw with the gap. Overall, I think the bearish pattern has broken on the downside. The momentum indicator is on the sell side, so I'll be expecting a good correction till 58.50, which will be a short-term target. This is the second day which we have been closing below 40 daily moving average, which is negative for the markets going ahead. The level to watch out would be around 6040, 6020, which is 20 daily moving average. I'm not expecting markets to go above 6020, which is the 20 daily moving average. On the hourly charts, a small bearish flag pattern has formed and it is also expected to break on the downside. The momentum indicator is absolutely whipsawing right now, which is giving a positive signal, has given a positive signal right now. But I'll be expecting, as soon as we break this low, I'll be expecting the momentum indicator to give a sell signal and continue this negative momentum on the downside till at least 5900 in the very immediate run, next coming 2 or 3 trading sessions. On Bank Nifty, again sliding down, breaking this expanding pattern on the downside, forming low top, slow bottom. The momentum indicators again whipsawing on the buy side, but I'll be expecting this negative momentum to continue on the downside. As soon as we break these lows, today's lows, I think the momentum indicator would give a sell signal again. The supports would be around 12,380 and 12,200. Resistance would be around 12,575 and 12,740. I'll be expecting markets to go down to at least 12,200, which is our short-term targets in the Bank Nifty. ICICI Bank again has broken this expanding ending on the downside, forming lower top, slow bottom, closing below 20 and 40 daily moving average, which is negative for the stock. So I'll be expecting at least 1100 levels in the very immediate run for the stock. Support should be around 1144 and 1100. Resistance would be around 1160 and 1185. The second stock is Bajaj Auto. Bajaj Auto has been forming this bearish flag pattern. The momentum indicator on the hourly charts have given a buy sell signal, so it's a fresh shot at this point of time for a target of at least 1950 in the very immediate run. It's a momentum call for a very immediate run. The support should be around 2000 and the second support would be around 1950. Resistance would be around 2124 and 2160. Overall, friends, the bias remains negative for the markets in the short term as well as in the medium term. The supports would be around 58.50, that will be a short term target, and 56.50, which will be our medium term target. The levels to watch out would be around 6020, which is the 20 daily moving average, very crucial resistance in the very short term, and 6100 for the medium term outlook. Thank you so much.